Welcome to Kripadhara manufacturing facility. We present the extraction process of ultra-virgin cold-pressed groundnut oil. We use dried, cleaned, sortexed, lab-tested and indigenous seed. Such seeds are pressed in 100% wood machine at low RPM so that the temperature doesn't go above 45 degrees Celsius. As the temperature rises, the nutritional value of the oil goes down. This traditional method leads to healthy and digestible groundnut oil. We constantly monitor the processing temperature of oil while the extraction process is going on. Such oil is free from trans fats and is used less in cooking, being viscous. This oil is best suited for deep frying due to its high smoke point. The oil is collected in small containers to prevent oxidation. It's gravitationally filtered and is packed in food grade bottles with flip top cap for regulated flow.